Hello everybody, coming back to my videos, episode number 2. This is today I'm going to show you all how to make a neat good paper helicopter. So let's go. The materials you will need is scale, scissors, pencil, paper clip which you normally find it in geometrical shops or anything else, and a paper which is useful or non-useful, but it should be a A4. So let's go. Take your ruler and first measure that it should be 6 centimeters or less, or 5.5 centimeter. Next, you should take your scale and draw it about 6 centimeter and then half of it. Then take it up at the same amount. Yes. Next, you take it inside again about 2 centimeter and at the same over here. Then draw a cross line like this from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeters. You get this kind of a shape. Then draw a line of 6 centimeters correctly and do the same here. Make sure that it's correctly 6 and both should be equal. Next, make one kind of curve and then the same followed at the other side. Yes, you see this? You get this kind of a shape. At the top it's like a heart and then straight lines and then cross like this and then slant, sleeping, straight and again sleeping. You get this kind of thing. Next, just take your pencil and just draw some dots over here like this. Yes, and draw some here also. Okay, now this is done. So your pencil and scale will no longer be required. Next, take your cutting scissor and cut it as the shape we have made. And then cut it like this. One cut. Take it inside. Yes, this is done. And next, do your cross cutting, which you have to do only with the scale. If you want, you can do it with the scissors, but I will prefer that scale is the best.
Should I help you?
So, if you find a lot of difficulty, you can cut it from top and do it. and cut it like I feel this is the best way of cutting this way. Yes. And the same you're gonna do over here. And then this extra you have to cut. If you don't cut it, then it won't be like a real helicopter.
Close your mouth.
This is the way you do it.
Keep it down like that. Close your mouth.
Yes. So this is done. Now what you're going to do is take your scissor again and the dotted lines which you made at the center of these two, just cut it. And remember that you're not going to cut it fully. You're going to only cut it till these two strips. It's time for this. Then you have to neatly fold this till this cut. Like this. And both should be legible and equal. So now it look like this. Then you have to not fold it from here or else it will become too thin and much more. You should just do it like this and then turn it, and don't put it like that. Put it the opposite way at the same level. This too should meet legibly and correctly. Yes. And here's our last step. Take the paper clip. Take this up. So this small is there. You have to make sure that that touches the folded part. And then fix it in this manner. Yes. And it is done. So let's take a look of how our paper helicopter flies. Yes. So how you're going to fly it? Sure. First you have to just hold it like this and you're going to throw it up like this and it comes down like this. Shall we try it in a big place? Yes. Come. Let's see.
Excuse me?
Yes. So let's try it over here. We throw it and it comes like this. If you throw it in a more bigger place like from the staircase or much more, this will fly really nice. So please subscribe to my video. For more videos, click on Ruthvik Krishna in the YouTube and see. Thank you.